Hi YouTube, today we're going to be making cabbage rolls. So these are my ingredients for the cabbage roll. I have a cabbage which I'm going to add to the hot water that's already boiling. And we're going to cook it for about 5 minutes until the leaves fall off. As you can see, the core usually be here, so you usually just cut around the core, but you're just going to peel the leaves off, and that's how you're going to roll your cabbage. Okay? So we'll submerge this into the water, the boiling water, and we'll let that cook for about 5 minutes. It's a small cabbage, so it shouldn't take long. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and make the sauce. And with the sauce, we have tomato sauce, which we're gonna add in. We have brown sugar, a little bit of brown sugar. We have lemon juice. Pour that in. A little bit of ketchup. And Worcester sauce. And we're gonna mix that up. We have our hamburger mix that we're gonna add in. Set that over there. This is our hamburger. We're gonna add garlic. We have garlic. You can chop them. Most people use it whole fresh garlics, but I have the already cut up garlic, so I'm just gonna add that in. I have onions. I'm gonna add the onions in. And we have milk. I'm gonna add that in. And an egg. And the rice is already cooked, so we're gonna add the rice in with it. Add a little salt and pepper. This off of cooking share. Set this to the side. Okay, so I have one cabbage roll rolled up here, but we're gonna take the sauce and we're gonna add it to the bottom of the pan. You don't need a whole lot, but just enough to cover it. That's the sauce that we had sitting to the side that we made up earlier. And we'll just take the cabbage roll and just sit it in there. But this is how we roll it. We take it and put it into, I don't need a whole bunch because that's not a big piece. But sit it in there. Make it shaped like a log. Okay, YouTube, we're back and we have our cabbage rolls wrapped here. So all we have to do is take our sauce that we made up and we're going to take it and pour it over the top of the cabbage rolls. Supposed to drizzle. I guess we can probably use some afterwards, but we're just going to pour it over the top. Make sure it's covered. And then we're going to wrap it in aluminum foil so that it'll keep the moisture on the inside. And we have the oven set for 350 degrees. It's preheating right now. So we're going to wrap it nice and snug. And I'm just waiting on the oven to preheat for 1 hour. I'm going to put my cook time on for 1 hour. Okay, the hour is up. And we're gonna take the aluminum foil off. We have the plate set up as to what we're gonna have with it. That was the leftover cabbage and rice. That's what it looks like, and we're just gonna take one of the cabbages and maybe we'll take this. Oh, they all look like, oh, we'll get that one. Right there. Get some of the juice. All right. I guess we'll taste it. It's a little hot. But don't forget to use your seasonings. Add your extra seasonings if you feel that you need to add it in. So I guess I better cut the cabbage all the way. I think the cabbage could be a little, I should have added a little more brown sugar, a little more seasonings, but it is good. So, enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy.